Hey everyone, Honor Pad GT 2 Pro is a flagship gaming tablet launched alongside the Honor X70 smartphone in China, designed to deliver a powerful and immersive entertainment experience. With its focus squarely on gamers and media consumers, this device combines top-tier hardware, display tech, and thermal management in a sleek and lightweight body. At the heart of Pad GT 2 Pro is a 12.5-inch LCD screen that sets it apart from typical tablets. With a resolution of 3048 by 2032 pixels and support for HDR Vivid and IMAX Enhanced content, the display is ideal for high-quality visuals. Its refresh rate peaks at 165 Hz and dynamically adjusts across 7 different ranges, from 30 to 165 Hz, based on content and usage, improving both battery life and performance. The screen's ability to hit 1000 nits of brightness, an 89% screen-to-body ratio, combined with support for the DCI-P 3-color gamut, makes it one of the best displays in the segment. Under the hood, the Pad GT 2 Pro is driven by Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and Adreno 750 GPU. This is backed by 3 RAM configurations, 8, 12, and 16 gigabytes, paired with storage options ranging from 128 gigabytes up to a generous 512 gigabytes. It runs on Android 15 with Honor's Magic OS 9.01, offering the latest software features and optimizations. The gaming-centric nature of this tablet is further amplified by its keyboard and mouse mapping function, mimicking the control flexibility of a PC, along with a revamped gyroscope system that significantly improves motion control latency and responsiveness. The tablet also includes a capable camera setup for casual photography and video calls. A 13 megapixels rear sensor with autofocus and an f2.0 aperture captures sharp images, while the front-facing 8 megapixel sensor handles video conferencing needs. Audio on the Pad GT 2 Pro gets a major boost with an 8-speaker system supported by 3rd-generation spatial audio. Whether you're gaming or watching a movie, the sound experience is rich and expansive, a rarity in tablets at this price point. One of the standout features is its dual Wi-Fi aggregation capability, which, along with Wi-Fi acceleration tech, extends coverage up to 500 meters. This, coupled with support for Wi-Fi 7, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, and USB Type-C, makes the tablet future-proof in terms of connectivity. Battery life is another strong suit of the Honor Pad GT 2 Pro. Its 10,100 mAh battery ensures prolonged usage and can be charged at 66-watt speeds via USB-C, keeping downtime to a minimum. Physically, the tablet is elegant and lightweight at just 532 grams, with a slim profile of 5.95 millimeters and a durable metal build. It is available in 2 sleek finishes, Phantom Gray and Crystal White. Overall, the Honor Pad GT 2 Pro positions itself as a top-tier gaming and multimedia tablet, offering premium features at competitive pricing and clearly aims to compete with established players in the high-end Android tablet market. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful for you. Have a nice day, and God bless you.